some C languages, Python, Java, HTML, then also like Python, chemistry, maths, JEE, NEET, then Tabule for data science students. So for that they'll go to the tuition. Simply they'll waste 30,000 and 20,000 rupees. Guys, I will tell you in a tutorial where you can easily learn those things in a under 1,000 rupees, like 700, 500, 1,000. See guys, just go to the Google, just search DKS tuition and training, guys. Then you'll get a link like this. Then click on that. See here, guys. You'll get this all tuition in this tutorial. See, guys, 6 to 12 standard students, they can easily do this. JEE, NEET, doubt cancellation will be available. Aptitude, communication skill, logical reasoning, guys, and HR, web development training. Guys, I learned my C language from this tutorial only for 1,000 rupees, guys. That time it was around 1,000. I don't know, like you can just go to this, that tutorial, guys. You will get to know everything. Just scroll down a little bit. Here you will get in a school form like this. Register. Then click on that, guys. Just after that, just need to fill up this all details. Then you need to choose your qualification. Then your mode, offline or online mode. If you want, you can do an offline mode also. But this center, tuition center is available in only the Coimbatore. You have to go. You can also do an online mode, guys. That's not any problem. It's just very nice, guys. Then you have to just choose your stream, guys. Then your languages. Then when you're going to join this, then your payment type, like earlier payment you want to do, yearly payment you want to do, or session wise you want to do the payment. Then when you are going to do the payment, like first day or second day, like that, just fill up this all form, guys, and then submit. Then also you can see the tuition schedule here, guys. See the schedule for all different subject on the different day, guys. You will get a different mentor, different lectures for all different courses, like social math student lecture will be different, then C++, then Java, those lectures will be different, guys. You literally will get to know everything, guys. Just after that, fill up in that form, you'll get an email, guys. Then they'll contact you. Then they'll provide you whatever information you want. Then after that, just continue with your course, guys. It's so easy. So to get more information like that, just follow me if you're watching this in Instagram, and subscribe me if you're watching this video on YouTube, and say to others also. Thank you, guys.